Hey guys, welcome to the Freedom Space. This is Jim here, and today, as promised, we're gonna talk about this guy right here. Boom, the TP9 Elite SC. This is the all tungsten gray version. All right. Before I get started, I want to say thank you for my new subscribers. I appreciate it. Yeah, let's get to it. This is the all gray version, or tungsten gray. They like to call it like that. As you can see here. This gun is so sexy, I kid you not. I like the black and gray. Check. Empty, guys. All right. Nothing in here. All right. So what I like about it, it's the finish. There's not a lot of differences between this and the other one. But if you get the tungsten gray version, what you're gonna end up having is, instead of having a white front sight, you're gonna have this. Instead of a white sight, you're gonna have the fiber optic, the green fiber optic sight, and the black tile rear. Beside the cosmetic difference, this is the only difference that you're gonna have if you go with the tungsten slide and black frame, or the all black version. I think the all black version comes with 3 white dice, I think. Yeah, but this one, man, it looks so sexy. Come on, pick it up. And I also added the OLED on there, the OLED PL Mini 2 Valkyrie. You get the same thing that if you buy any other Caniks. So what does make this gun special? To be honest, it's just the look. It looks so damn sexy. Black and gray is my favorite mix of color anyway. So you get extended slide release, ambi control. You got this nice magazine release right here, the nice magazine release, reversible. You can put it to the left side if you're lefty. Nice trigger. This is the Precox Tracker Fire trigger, the same one that they use in the Water PDP, the Water family, guys. This is the same type of trigger, but cheaper, right? I got this for $429 plus tax, but you can get it for sub $400. Nothing can beat this gun for what it offers, guys. For the price point, nothing can beat this gun. You get 2 mags. It comes with a 12 round and a 15 round. MB slide release, reversible magazine, optics ready, SMS or the RMS footprint, and you can mount it directly on the slide so you can co-witness. You got this phenomenal trigger. The Canik trigger, let me show you right here. Again, gun is empty, put this in my pocket. Little bit of take up, boom, right here. This is the take up, just a little bit, and break. Check this out. And ups. Let's do that again. Little bit of take up, and boom. Now for the reset, check this out. 1, 2, boom, boom. Man, this is so good. The thing that I heard a lot of people talking about was the comfortability, like the comfort level of it. Some people said that when they keep shooting it, because they have a gap here, this bottom tend to dig inside the palm and hurt. Man, I didn't have this experience. I took it to the range, 300 rounds to it, like straight. Never had an issue. I didn't feel nothing. And if I felt something, I would have told you guys, but I guess it's different for everybody. So I also changed the back side right here. It can't, I think the small one is installed. You can remove it and I put the bigger one in there. Makes it more comfortable in my hand. I don't have a big hand. I got a medium sized hand anyway, so make it more comfortable. So it's not a small gun. It's a subcompact, but I don't believe it's a true subcompact. Why? Because this gun is six and a half, more than 6.5. I think it's 6.7 inches long, bigger than the Shield Plus or the Shield 2.0, and that means it's even bigger than the SIG P265. And the SIG P265 is smaller than the Shield 2.0, so that says a lot. In my opinion, I believe that the Shield is the true size. The SIG P265, these are macro 9mm. If you want to do stay in a subcompact range, I believe the Shield is the sweet spot. This is just a little bit longer than the Glock 43. If you know what a Glock 43 looks like, this is just a little bit longer than that. All right, just a little bit longer than the Glock 43, way longer than the Shield, and way longer than the SIG P265. But what makes this gun beat every other one is the price tag. The all gray version is, I got it for $429, but still, with this trigger, MB control, 15 round, 12 round plus one, you can change your back strap and your red dot compatible SMS or the RMS footprint, fiber optic front sight, blacked out rear, Picatinny route. There's no way you can find a gun that offers all this for this price point. I'm carrying it right now. I'm gonna let you know how it feels. I'm carrying it right now. You guys know from the last video that I made about the Smith & Wesson. This is my king when it comes to concealed carry. And I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. They also have this Patriot brown version of it, but it scratches very easily. Get the tungsten or the original version. This is very, very durable, empty, like I said. Good gun. So, who I would say this gun is for? If it's your first time buying a gun, I would definitely advise you to go with this one. Definitely. If you're really on a budget, tight budget, this is the one to go with because all the bells and whistles are in here. You don't have to buy a gun and get familiar and they're all right, it's time to buy a new one. This one is gonna stay with you for a long time. So, this is what I had for you guys when it comes to the TP9 SC Elite, the almighty tungsten gray version. Oh my God, I love this gun. Love this gun. Again, if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the comment section because we had fun last time in the last video. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you think. I'm curious to know. I don't care if it's the all gray version, the brown, the original one, but let me know what you guys think, guys. Because I'm feeling it. Do I have any Canik fanboys out there? Hit me up, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. And as always, stay safe, stay free, and never forget 1A plus 2A equals freedom. See you on the next one.